Welcome to another quick Aembit video. Let's talk about trust providers. If you're familiar at all with Aembit, you understand that we're moving towards workload, identity, and access management. We want you to manage access instead of secrets. And what this means is when one of your workloads tries to reach out to another, imagine a piece of code you write is trying to reach out to your data lake or CI/CD platform. Instead of just fetching a secret, Aembit validates the identity of the workload and then assesses an access policy that you create. If this workload is allowed to get to that data, we issue dynamic credentials. So what exactly is a trust provider? Trust providers are third-party systems or services that provide a way for Aembit to authenticate client workloads without providing them with credentials. Trust providers can attest to the workload identity and provide information about the environment. Aembit can then use an instance identity document or service account token to validate the instance's attributes. Trust providers can be local or a service. Let's take a quick look at the Aembit Cloud Admin Portal and see which trust providers are available. First thing we do is we go to Trust Providers. I'm going to show you what you see when you add a new one. So under trust providers, there are several of these, from AWS ECS roles, anything related to an AWS ECS instance, Azure Metadata, GCP, information from GitHub. There's also Kerberos if you're doing things on-prem and using integrations with Active Directory. And then also the Kubernetes service accounts and Terraform Cloud identity tokens. So let's pick one of these. We'll do AWS Metadata Service. And here you can see I can add certificates. I can also match multiple rules. And these rules allow you to look up multiple attributes, and we can add many of these. So these will be things that are part of your deployment, and this will help ensure that the service or the workload that's making the call is exactly the one that you want making the call. And here you can see there are more than a dozen attributes, and you can come and configure a value for each one. For more information, please visit our website and even start a free trial today.